Good morning. I am Padmavati, lecturer, Department of Botany, Government Degree College, Nagari, Chittoor district. In this video, I am going to speak about Bentham and Hooker's system of classification. George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker, two British scientists, published their system of classification in 3 volumes of Genera Plantarum in Latin. They classified only phanerogams. Phanerogams means flowering plants. Bentham and Hooker's classification is natural system of classification based on the works of A.P. de Condor and Tejas. Bentham and Hooker's described over 97,205 species of flowering plants spread over 200 families and 7,569 genera in Genera Plantarum. They recognized 82 families in Polypetalae, 45 families in Gamopetalae, 36 families in Monoclamidae, 3 families in Gymnosperms, and 34 families in Monocotyledons. I am going to cover the important features of Bentham and Hooker's classification. Bentham and Hooker classified flowering plants into 3 classes. They are dicotyledons, gymnosperms, and monocotyledons. Then class dicotyledons. In dicotyledons, taproot system, reticulate venation in leaves, flowers are pentamerous and tetramerous, 2 cotyledons in a seed. These are dicotyledons characters. Dicotyledons are divided into 3 subclasses based on the nature of perianth. They are Polypetalae, next Gamopetalae, and Monoclamidae. Subclass Polypetalae. In Polypetalae, perianth in 2 whorls. Calyx and corolla are distinct. The petals are free. This condition is called polypetalous. Polypetalae is divided into 3 series based on the position of ovary and arrangement of other floral parts. They are thalamiflorae, disciflorae, and calyciflorae. Then series thalamiflorae. In this series, the thalamus is conical or convex shape. Thalamus is elongated. The flowers are hypogynous. Ovary is superior. Thalamiflorae has 6 orders starting from ranales and ending with malveals. Then series disciflorae. In disciflorae, flowers are hypogynous. Thalamus is flat or slightly convex shape. The gynoecium is at the middle of the thalamus. Remaining floral parts are at the margins of the thalamus. Ovary is superior. Disciflorae has 4 orders starting with geraniales and ending with sapendales. Next series calyciflorae. Flowers are perigynous and mostly epigynous. Thalamus is concave shape or cup shaped. Other floral parts are above the gynoecium. Sepals are fused and adnate to gynoecium. Ovary is inferior. Calyciflorae has 5 orders starting with rosales and ending with umbellales. Next subclass Gamopetalae. petalae. Perianth in two whorls and petals are fused. This condition is called gamopetalous. Gamopetalae is also divided into three series based on position of ovary and number of carpels. They are inferae, heteromerae and bicarpellate. Then series inferae. In inferae, flowers are epigynous and the ovary is inferior. This is very important character of the inferae. It is divided into three orders, starting with rubiales and ending with campanils. Next series, heteromerae. Flowers are hypogynous, more than two carpels, gynoecium with superior ovary. It is divided into three orders, starting with ericales and ending with abanales. Next series, bicarpellate. In bicarpellate, flowers are hypogynous, gynoecium is bicarpellary, superior ovary. Bicarpellate is divided into four orders, starting with gentianales and ending with lamiales. Next subclass is monocotyledone. It is classification is based on a single character, that is perianth in one whorl. Monoclamidae is divided into 8 series without orders. The series starting with Curvumbriae and end with ordinal anomaly. Next class, gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are plants with naked seeds. They are divided into 3 families only. First one is Metaceae, Coniferae and Cycadaceae. Then class Monocotyledons. In monocotyledons, fibrous root system, parallel venation leaves, trimerous flowers and a single cotyledon in seed. These are monocots characters. Monocotyledons are divided into 7 series without subclasses and orders. The series start with microspermae and end with glumaceae. This is Bentham and Hooker's system of classification.